starts to grow much colder, all right inside by the window, as my thoughts start to grow much bolder. Yeah, well, do me that favor, and why don't you turn yourself into that chip on my shoulder? As the weather starts to get much colder, all right inside in my house, while my thoughts seem to grow much bolder. Yeah, well, do me that favor and turn yourself into that stupid chip on my shoulder, and give me that reason to stay mad, as my thoughts rot and dine in the crevices of this brain and successfully make me sad. The weather starts to grow much colder, all right inside in my house by my window, as my thoughts start to grow much bolder. Do me that favor and just turn yourself into that chip on my shoulder, as my thoughts successfully dine in the crevices of this brain that remains mine. Make me sad, give me that reason to remain mad. New tattoo. First tattoo. Okay, I gotta go to class.